You have to go to your browser and search typingtest.com. Now that you're on the website, you'll see their homepage that you can choose the length of the typing test. You have the option to do it for 1 minute, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, and 10 minutes. Once you're logged in, I want you to select the 1 minute option. We are going to try the shortest test. Put your preference to medium text, and you can now click the button that says Start Test. The website can measure how fast you are at typing. And what's more awesome is that you can all do it in the palm of your hands. When you start typing the first word in the test, the timer will automatically start, which will show you your typing speed. You can not only determine your typing skills and speed, but this website offers more. Once you decide to explore the site, you can click on the typing practices and typing courses. Yes, they offer courses which I know are exciting. The courses are free, don't worry. It doesn't stop there, because free training is also available to improve your typing if you weren't satisfied with the result of your test. Once again, this website address is called typingtest.com. But we're not in the part that will show you how to earn. Since what I'm going to share with you is a typing job, then it will most likely require you to type faster. Because the faster and the more words you type, the bigger the potential income is. There, I gave away a gem that can help you gain confidence when applying to websites I'm about to discuss. Let's get on to some of the websites where you can earn and make money online just by typing. The first website is rev.com. Have you heard of it? It's been very helpful for many people and organizations. It is legitimate, and different industries swear by this website. They even have more than 170,000 customers. When you search for their website address, you'll see on their page the possible amount you're going to earn. You'll see the $1.25 per minute. Let's compute it, shall we? Now, if you're going to type for an hour or 60 minutes, then your total earnings for that hour is $75. That means if you want to use it as a side hustle, that is worth it, because if you have an extra 3 hours, your possible earnings will be a total of $225. And you can earn up to $375 if you're willing to type for 5 hours. Let's now explore the website. You can now go to rev.com, where you'll see the rates like what we've just computed and other information. The rate for the transcription is $1.25 per minute. The rate for captions is also $1.25 per minute. But if you're going to type international subtitles, you can earn $3 to $7 per minute. Well, this opportunity is very advantageous for people that know several languages. Let's say you know Hindi, Korean, or Italian, and that you're required to put subtitles on English videos using any of the languages mentioned. Then you can maximize this option. This option is really powerful and can give you more potential income. You're still just going to type and translate words into a specific language that you know, then boom, you can have about $5 per minute on average. That just means that you can potentially have $300 per hour just by creating subtitles. People who know multiple languages or even 2 are very lucky. The opportunities just keep coming in, right? On the other hand, those people that do not speak more than 1 language still have a chance to earn as much. You can learn and grow by starting with video transcription. This will give you the rate of $1.25 per minute. It's not as high as the rate in providing subtitles, but you won't break a sweat when doing the task, so $1.25 is still helpful. You can scroll to the bottom of the website and you'll see the one that says Freelancer. Now, if you click on that word, it'll redirect you to a page where you can find freelancing jobs that offer flexible hours of work. You have total control of your time. So if you have a day job, you can type this in your website after work. Or if you're a student, once you're done with schoolwork, you can start typing there. Even the payment is favorable because you'll get paid per week. The second website that I want you to know is transcribeme.com. You have the chance to earn extra income by translating and transcribing. We're going to focus on transcribing because, as you'll see on their website, it says that it has the industry's best rate. The possible income you can get starts at $15 up to $22. You'll also see on the site that it has the top monthly earnings at $2,200. Well, no matter how promising these words are, it seems like Rev.com can offer higher income. Let's go back to computing. If TranscribeMe.com can give you $22 per hour, then your total possible income for transcribing for 5 hours is only $110. That's $375 for 5 hours in Rev. But what's better is you join both TranscribeMe.com and Rev.com. It both offers flexible time anyway. You can work anytime and anywhere. If you've decided to join, you can start by clicking the button that says Join Today, and you'll be redirected to the page where you start the process for transcribing for this website. Besides the fact that you can earn just by typing, you can also do it by using either your phone or your computer. The most agreeable thing, and probably the one that you'll love, is that they have audio clips that are only 2 to 4 minutes long, so it won't take much of your time, and yet you'll still earn. This can be a great way to build more income streams. You just have to provide your information, such as your first name, last name, and email address. Just make it a point to use your real email address for the account activation link. Don't forget to check your email to not miss anything. And by that, I mean you should also check the promotional tabs and spam box. Now you can enter your password and make sure it's correct before you confirm it. Keep in mind that you should also enter your PayPal address where they'll be sending you their payment.